SquatOber, week 3, workout 1, Coach Josh, Coach Brittany, step ups. We're gonna look for a heavy 5 rep, and interestingly enough, we're gonna look for a heavy 5 rep on the right and a heavy 5 rep on the left. They might be different, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for an asymmetry, which is the cause for most injury that doesn't come from trauma. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go over the setup really quickly. Brittany, if you would, 1 foot on top of the box. What we're looking for is the knee slightly above the hip angle. Can you do the other one so it's close to the camera? There we go. So we're looking for the knee, again, slightly above the hip angle. So this is gonna be the right height for Coach Brittany. Now, Brittany needs to make sure that she has the points of performance correctly before she loads it up. So before we even talk about getting a barbell out, we're gonna look at the step up as is. So Brittany, if you would, give me a couple reps on that side. Other side. So I'm just gonna talk through some points of performance as Coach Brittany goes. What I'm looking for as an athlete is that I can have my knees tracking over my toes. It doesn't necessarily need to be way lateral of the foot, but it definitely can't fall in. The other thing I'm gonna look for is as she steps up, go ahead and go, that she doesn't have any weird hip shift. One hip doesn't fall, one hip doesn't click, her foot doesn't swing behind her other foot. If it feels relatively easy, we're probably good to go. Then we can grab us a barbell, and when she does, she's gonna put that barbell in rack position. So we're not doing a back rack step up, we're doing 5 heavy reps on the right, 5 heavy reps on the left from the rack position. You can California style, you can go here and go ahead, and it needs to look the same. And then so on and so forth. Go ahead and set it down. So the reason that we're gonna have the barbell in front rack is so that it attacks the midline, the anterior chain, a little bit more, and she's a lot less likely that when she stands, she doesn't click into any hinge position. That gives us a more true representation of what the single side strength will be if it comes up that I can do 50 pounds on the right and then I can do 50 pounds on the left, good to go. If it comes up that I can do 200 pounds on the right and 5 pounds on the left, you might have a problem.